Hey guys, what's up? It's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Give the video a like after if you watched it so you know if you liked it or not. I'm out of breath today because I'm so nervous for what I'm going to do today. Okay, let me tell you. So this has been a process already because I'm pulling a prank on Jordan and I've been trying to figure out how exactly to make it run perfectly where he has no idea what's going on. And for this video, I'm actually working with a company called Trendywigs. They sent me one of their wigs for free and I'm going to be using that wig. Okay, I sat down so I can stop being so winded. Anyways, for this video, Trendywigs sent me a wig for me to review and for me to use in a video. And also I'm posting a picture on Instagram wearing it. But that being said, I'm using it to prank Jordan as well. He's so weird about change and he likes me to do like all the kinds of makeup and stuff. Like he's so supportive of everything. But the one thing he's weird about is extensions and things like that, like hair extensions. My aunt owns a salon kind of close to where we live. So I told him that I was going to my aunt's salon and she was going to do that for me to promote a video. So she was gonna do it for free, which is not actually happening. It'd be cool if it was, but like, that's not happening. What is happening is I got a free wig, which looks really, really natural. And Trendywigs wigs look so nice. The hairlines are so amazing. And I've never played with wigs before, but I thought this would be a fun way to do so. And I'm gonna have like a review of the wig and you guys are obviously gonna be able to see it on myself. The wig I got is this wig right here. It's blonde with like a dark root. So the roots kind of match my roots as they are now. But in order for me to make this happen, I have to go to the store, gotta be glued because I hear that that's like the magical like wig glue. I have to get a wig head and then like some T-pins so I can put the wig on the head and then I can customize it to where it will look the most natural on myself by plucking the hairline, plucking the part, all that kind of stuff, make it look as natural as possible because as I am trying to do is trick Jordan into thinking that it's my real hair. So you guys will see me through the entire process of trying to do that, getting it all natural, trying to figure out how it's gonna work best for me. And I've never worn wigs before, so if I do things totally wrong, I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to get blasted on the internet for wearing my wig wrong. But I'm just trying to do this to make a fun video. And then also, who knows, I'll like love the wig after it's done and I'll have to go out and wear it some more. Like I'm totally down for that. I totally think that wearing wigs is just another way of like customizing yourself, changing up your look. It's just like wearing makeup. Like I have nothing against wearing wigs. Anyone can wear wigs and pull it off. I don't think that it should be such a thing that we're all so afraid to do. That I think it's so cool for us to be able to customize our look without having to physically change anything about ourselves, like our hair, or physically change our faces. We can just do that contour. So I'm excited about today's video to see how it goes. And I think you guys are really gonna think Jordan's reaction is super funny. I hope he reacts well to this. I mean, he'll have a camera in his face. I don't know, we're just gonna see how this goes. I have no idea what to expect right now, but I have to go to the store, find some stuff, so. Alright, so I have to put the wig cap on, like that. Pull it over, tuck my hair inside, and kind of moosh it around. This is from the videos that I've seen. It's pretty flat. And then I pull this back to my hair like that. And then I have a pretty tiny head, so I adjusted the wig cap, or the wig, to
oh, that's pretty cool
tighter.
That you can tighten it and stuff.
Just like stretch it. I think I still definitely need to do. Okay, so I have it on now, and I kind of did like a little hairstyle to kind of conceal it a little bit more. And I got some like hairs in the front and like a messier, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's super long, and I straightened it, and it's really soft, and it's really cute. Like, it's cute. I am not an expert at putting wigs on, and so I definitely need tips or more time to play. But the wig itself is so cute and long and beautiful, and I actually really like the color. But yeah, so that's what we're working with. But yeah, I'm excited to see his reaction of what he thinks whenever I get home. Okay, so I'm about to go and see how Jordan reacts. I didn't do a terrible job, but I definitely think I could have made it look a little bit more realistic, but you know, we'll see if it does.
What did she do to your hair? Are you serious? Why?
Why what?
Why'd she do that to your hair?
Do what?
Extensions. This isn't your f***ing hair.
What do you mean?
I know it's not your hair. Please say this is fake.
It's a wig.
It better be a wig.
It's a wig.
Oh my god. Dude. Don't even with me like that. Can I see what she did to your hair though, for real?
I didn't even go.
What?
The whole thing was a prank.
The whole thing was a prank?
Did it work?
Yeah, it f***ing worked. He looks like Kurt Cobain.
It looks amazing.
And Fergie had a baby. Like, let's see this. No. Fucking chill. He said he's a pretty chill. He went back his hair. I got shit over here, bro. Get away from me, bro.